You going? Go, 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 go. Hey, don't eat shit! 5, 2, 6, 7. Whoa. They're inside the trailer. Can't get to them. They're all just sitting back here.
Oh yeah. Really?
No. Hey,
hey, left side, you Austin!
You want to go? Ready? Ready? Go. You ready? Go. Go, go, go. Austin! Hey, there's one or two still in there.
That was a fucking crazy one.
Hey, fine, one or two still in there. You alright? I ain't shooting you, man.
Hey, watch out, there's one left.
Hey, 3 made it in. Really? You're gonna shoot through the hole? Shooting through the hole in that trailer. That little doorway right there.
Yeah. The reason why there is because you don't know if they're calling or not.
Exactly. Hey.
That's why we need a weaponry.
Hey. If we get up close.
Yeah, I'll move up to that.
Hey. Turn on.
Oh really? Oh, I was like.
Do you think I really pulled the pin on it?
No. No, well this top part. Come on.
No, the spoon, it does that. You want to try to get up in there?
No, I'm gonna try to move up closer.
Alright, looks like another one's going in.
How the hell did the pin come out?
Did you pull it?
No, I didn't pull it at all.
Next time, just pick it up and throw it.
Oh, holy shit.
Hey, toss it over here. I'm throwing the dump pouch. Ooh, watch your head, watch your head. Reload. Alright, you got the pin over there? You see the pin? It's just a cotter pin with a fucking ring on it. How did it come out, dude?
I don't know. I didn't squeeze it down or pull the pin.
It won't, you have to actually like yank on it. It might have come out over here.
Right when